Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up buses to enable your bus sign in and out feature in Kidsoft. To set up your buses, you're going to click on your service menu and under configuration, click buses. Click here to add a new bus. You're going to name your bus. Enter the number of seats and click Save. Once you have completed your bus list, you can click on the Bus Run List tab to create a bus run. Click here to add a new bus run. Select the bus from the drop-down box. Create a bus run name. Select the days the bus run is going to run. And you can select the trip type. So whether it's a pickup journey, drop-off journey, or you may like this bus run for both pickup and drop-off. Once all mandatory fields are completed, you can click Save. Enabling a bus on a child's booking, go to the child's bookings page, and on additional details, select the system type, User's Bus. Once the child has the User's Bus system tag, when clicking on the Child's Bookings tab and clicking on a booking, you will now see two columns, Bus Pickup and Bus Drop-Off. You can select the bus from the drop-down list for the applicable bus run and click Save. To enable the bus sign in and out feature in iCheck-in, you can click on the Service menu and under Configuration, click Settings. You're going to then click on the iCheck-in tab and click on Bus Trip Sign in and Out. Tick this option and click Save. Please note, for a user in iCheck-in to have access to the bus sign in and out, they must have the user role access iCheck-in, and this must be selected as full. For further tutorials on our bus sign in and out feature, please review this in our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you.